Good morning, children. Sai Ram. So last class we saw in chapter number 5 multiplication, properties of multiplication, isn't it? So you all know the properties of multiplication. Today in our maths class, we are going to see multiplication by zeros. Multiplication by zeros. First we'll see multiplication by tens. To multiply a number by 10, write the number followed by 10. What you have to do? To multiply a number by 10, write the number followed by 10. So first we have to write the number and at last you are going to write 10. Example 2268 into 10. We are going to multiply 2268 into 10. So what you have to do? Write the number 2268 followed by 10 at the last. So the answer is 22,680. To multiply a number by 10, what you have to do? Write the number followed by 10. And second example is 4120 into 10. What you have to do? First write the number 4120 followed by 10 at the last. So the answer is 41,200. So you know how to multiply a number by 10, right? So write the number then followed by 10. Next, to multiply a number by 20. What you have to do? And 30 and so on, write 0 in the ones place. So at the last we are going to write 0 in the ones place and then multiply the number by the remaining digits and write the product before 0. So first what we have to do? We have to write 0 in the ones place and we are going to multiply the number by the remaining digits. We are going to multiply the number by the remaining digits. We'll get one product, that answer, right? That we are going to write before that 0. Yes, to multiply a number by 20, 30 and so on, write 0 in the ones place. What you have to do? We are going to write 0 in the ones place and then multiply the remaining number by the remaining digits. I'll give you an example. 85 into 30. So write 0 at the last. Now we are going to we are going to multiply remaining digits. We are going to multiply 85 into 3. 5 3s are 15. 5 balance 1. 8 3s are 24. 24 plus 1 25. So the answer is 2550. So we are going to write the product before that 0. Where we have to place the 0? Just place the 0 at the last and write the product before that 0. So you know how to multiply a number by 20, 30, right? So place 0 at the end, ones place, and multiply the number by the remaining digits and write the product before 0. Now, multiplication by 100. To multiply a number by 100, write the number followed by 2 zeros. Same way, it is 100 means you are going to write 2 zeros at the last. So if it is multiplying by 100, what do you have to do? You are going to write 2 zeros at the last. To multiply a number by 100, write the number followed by 2 zeros. Example, 90,472 into 100. 90,472 into 100. What do you have to do? Write the number 90,472 followed by how many zeros? 2 zeros. This is multiplication by 100, right? So that 2 zeros you place at the last. So the answer is 90 lakh. Put commas now. 3, 2, 2, right? 90 lakh 47,200. When you multiply by 100, what is the answer? Write the number followed by 2 zeros. Next one, 4,816 into 100. This is an easy way of multiplying by 10, 100 and 1000. No need to multiply and show the entire sum. So you can just put 0 at the last. Write the number followed by the zeros. So 4,816 into 100. So what you have to write the number? 4816 followed by how many zeros? 2 zeros. Now put commas now. So 4,81,600. Now to multiply a number by 200, 300 and so on. What you have to do? Write the 2 zeros at the last. Same way like tens. So we are going to write 2 zeros at the last. We are going to write 2 zeros at the last and then multiply the number by the remaining digits. Same way, I've given you an example. Multiply the number by the remaining digits and write the product before the two zeros. Same way, example 15 into 400. What you have to do? So write 00 at the last, and now we are going to multiply the remaining digits. 15 into 4. 15 fours are 60. So write that before the two zeros. So the answer is 6000. To multiply a number by 200, what you have? 200, 300 and so on. What you have to do? Write two zeros at the end and multiply the remaining digits. Multiply the number by the remaining digits and write the product before the number. So 15 into 4, that is remaining, that we are going to multiply and we are going to write it before the two zeros. So the answer is 6000. So now multiplication by thousands. We are going to multiply by thousands. Same way, to multiply a number by 1000, what you have to do? Write the number followed by 3 zeros. Same way, write the number followed by how many zeros? You're going to write 3 zeros at the last. To multiply a number by 1000, write the number followed by 3 zeros. Example, so 394 into 1000. So write the number 394 followed by how many zeros? 3 zeros. Now put commas. So the answer is 3,94,000. What is the answer? 3,94,000. So you know how to multiply a number by 10,000 and 100, right? And to multiply a number by 2,000, 3,000 and so on, what you have to do? Same way, write 3 zeros at the end and then multiply the number by the remaining digits. Whatever number is remaining, we are going to multiply the number by the remaining digits and write the product before the 3 zeros. Same way, we are going to write the product before the 3 zeros. Same way, one example, 48 into 2000. First, what you have to do? Write 3 zeros at the end. What you have to do? We are going to write 3 zeros at the end, and the remaining thing we are going to multiply 48 into 2. 48 into 2, 96. Write down before 0. So, answer is 96,000. So, you know how to multiply a number by 10, 20, 30, right children? So, we'll see some examples now. Exercise number 5.3. If you have book, you do in the book itself. No need to do in the classwork. Circle the correct answer. Circle the correct option. A, 54 into 10. 4 options are given. Now tell me, you're going to tell me which is the correct option. 54 into 10. When you multiply 54 into 10, what will be the answer? Write the number followed by how many zeros? Here, 1 0, right? So, now tell me which is the correct option. We have 4 options. 504, 540, 5400, 5040. Now tell me which is the correct option. So, while multiplying by 10, what you have to do? Write the number followed by 1 0. So, what is the answer? 540. Circle. You're going to circle the correct answer. 54 into 10. 500. Write the number 54 followed by 1 0. 54 into 10. 540. Next, we'll move on to the next sum. 232 into 100. You can tell me the answer now. 231. This is 231. 231 into 100. What will be the answer? 231 followed by how many zeros? So write 2, 3, 1 followed by how many zeros? 2 zeros. So 1, 2. So answer is 23,100. What is the answer? 23,100. So circle 23,100. So what you have to do? Write the number followed by how many zeros? 2 zeros. 100 means 231 followed by 2 zeros. So 23,100. Now third sum, 926 into 1000. You're going to multiply 926 into 1000. Tell me the answer now. Same way, now write the 926 followed by 3 zeros. So 926. How many zeros? 1, 2, 3 zeros. So where I'll put commas. So 9,26,000 is the correct option. 9,26,000. 9,26,000. Write it down. Circle the correct one. 9,26,000. 26,000. So this is the correct option, right? Write the number 926 followed by 3 zeros. So 9,26,000 is the correct option. Next, we'll move on to the next one. Fill in the blanks. A, 63 into 200. We are going to multiply 63 into 200. Now what you have to do? Place 2 zeros for this. What you have to do? Place 2 zeros at the last. So this 2 zeros right at the last, and we are going to multiply 63 into 2. 63 into 2. Now tell me, 3 2s are 6. 6 2s are 12. So the answer is 12,600. What is the answer? 12,600. You are going to multiply 63 into 2. 3 2s are 6. 6 2s are 12. So what is the answer? 12,600. When you multiply 63 into 200, what you have to do? Place 2 zeros. This 2 zeros place at the last, and the remaining we are going to multiply 63 into 2 is 126. So the answer is 12,600. Now let's move on to the next B sum. 128 into 400. So what you have to do? Same thing. Place 2 zeros at the last. So 128 into 4. 8 4s are 32, 2, 3, 4 2s are 8, 9 10 11, 1, 1, 4 1s are 4, 5. So the answer is 512. Right? 512 followed by 2 zeros. So the answer is 51,200. What is the answer? 51,200. C sum. 82 into 3,000. 82 into 3,000. What you have to do? Place 3 0 at the last, and 82 you are going to multiply by 3. 82 into 3. 3 2s are 6. 8 3s are 24. So the answer is 2,46,000. Answer is 2,46,000. What you have to do? So you are going to place 3 zeros at the last, and 82 into 3. 2 3s are 3 2s are 6. 8 3s are 24. So that followed by 3 zeros, right? You are going to write zeros at the last. So 2,46,000 is the answer. Now let's move on to the D sum. 407 into 5,000. We are going to multiply 407 into 5,000. What you have to do? Place 3 zeros at the end. So write 3 zeros at the end. Now what you have to do? Multiply 407 into 5. 5 sevens are 35. 5 balance 3. 3 will be carried forward. 5 zeros are 0. 0 plus 3. 3. Write it down 3. 5 fours are 20. So 20. 35 followed by how many zeros? 3 zeros. You are going to write 20, 35, 3 zeros at the last. So the answer is 20,35,000. What is the answer? 20,35,000. Next. Exercise number 5.4. Find the product. Exercise number 5.4. Find the product. A sum 1,263 into 5. Multiplication by a single digit number. This is very easy, right? So we are going to multiply 1,263 by 5. Shall we multiply this number? So write the number 1,263 into 5. First what you have to do? We are going to multiply these two, right? 3 5s are. We are going to multiply the ones place by 5. 3 5s are. 5 3s are 15. 5. 1 will be carried over. 3 5s are 15. 1 will be carried over. Then what is the next step? 6 5s are. What is 6 5s are? 30. 30 plus 1. 31. So write 3 here. 1 will be carried over to the next place. 1 will be carried over to the next place. Then multiply the hundreds place by 5. 2 5s are 10. 10 plus 3, 13. 3, 1 will be carried over. Then at last multiply the thousands place by 5. 1 5s are 5. 5 plus 1, 6. So what you have to do? First you have to take the ones place, multiply by 5. 3 5s are. First we are going to multiply these two. 3 5s are 15. 5. 1 will be carried over. Next, take the tens place, multiply by 5. 6 5s are 30. 30 plus 1, 31. 1, 3 will be carried over. Then multiply the hundreds place by 5. 2 into 5, 10. 10 plus 3, 13. 3, 1 will be carried over. Then multiply the thousands place by 5. 1 into 5, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. So what is the answer? 6,315. What is the answer? 6,315. So next, B sum 3,416. We are going to multiply by 4. Here 3,416 is the multiplicand, 4 is the multiplier, and we are going to find out the product. Shall we find out the product now? So write the number 3,416 into 4. What is the first step? So multiply the multiplicand in the ones place by 4. So 6 into 4. So we are going to multiply the digits at the ones place by 4. 6 into 4. 6 fours are 24. What is 6 fours are? First we are going to multiply 6 fours are 24. 4. 2 will be carried over. It's a 2-digit number. So 4 write it in the ones place and 2 is carried over to the tens place. Then what you have to do? Multiply the tens place by 4. 1 into 4. 1 fours are 4. Then don't forget to add the carry over. 4 plus 2. 4, 5, 6. So write it down 6 in the tens place. Then now multiply the digit at the hundreds place by 4. 4 fours are, this we are going to multiply. 4 fours are 16. 6, 1 will be carried over. Then we are going to multiply the digit at the thousands place by 4 again. 3 fours are 12. 12 plus 1, 13. So the answer is 13,664. What is the answer? 13,664. I'll repeat it one more time. So 3416 into 4. So first we have to multiply. 6 fours are 24. 4. 2 will be carried over. Then 4 ones are 4. 4 plus 2. 6. Then 4 fours are 16. 6. 1 will be carried over. 4 threes are 3 fours are 12. 12 plus 1, 13. So what's the answer? 13,000. When you multiply 3,416 into 4, what is the answer? 13,664. So you all know to multiply a number by a single digit number, right? See sum. We are going to multiply 2,465 into 9. We are going to multiply 2,465 into 9. Let's multiply the two numbers. 2,465 into 9. So what is my first step? I have to multiply the digit at the ones place by 9. 5 nines are 45. So 5, 4 will be carried over. Don't forget. So 9 5s are 45. 5, 4 will be carried over. Then we are going to multiply the digit at the tens place by 9. 6 9s are, you have to read the tables for this. 6 9s are 54. Learn the tables nicely. 6 9s are 54. 54, 55, 56, 57, 58. 8 I am writing it here. 5 will be carried over. Then 9 fours. Then take the digit at the hundreds place. Multiply by 9. 4 9s are 36. 36 plus 5. Don't forget to add the carry over. 4 9s are 36. 37, 38, 39, 40, 41. So 1, 4 will be carried over. Then multiply the digit at the thousands place by again 9. 2 9s are 18. 18 plus 4, 19, 20, 21, 22. So the answer is 22,185. When you multiply 2,465 by 9, the answer is 22,185. D sum. We are going to multiply 9,806 into 12 into 2. We are going to multiply 9,806 into 2. Shall we multiply the two numbers now? 9,806 we are going to multiply by 2. So what I should do now? You are going to tell me the answer now. So first I have to multiply this, right? 6 2s are 12. So 2 I am writing it here. 1 will be carried over. So first I have multiplied these two numbers. I have multiplied the digit of the one space by 2. So 6 2s are 12. 2, 1 will be carried over. Next, what I should do now? So multiply the digit at the tens place by 2. 0 into 2. When you multiply any number by 0, the answer is 0. So 0 into 2 is 0. 0 plus 1, 1. Write it down, 1. Next, now take the digit at the hundreds place, multiply by 2. 8 2s are 16. So 6, 1 will be carried over. Next, multiply the digit at the thousands place by 2. 9 2s are 18. 18 plus 1, 19. So the answer is 19,612. When you multiply 9,806 into 2, what is the answer? 19,612. So first what you have to do, you have to multiply the 6 into 2, 12. 2, 1 will be carried over. Then 0 into 2, 0. 0 plus 1, 1. Then 8 2s are 16. 6, 1 will be carried over. 9 2s are 18. 18 plus 1, 19. So the answer is 19,612. Home assignment. Your first one is 2014 into 6. You're going to multiply 2014 into 6. B sum 5203. You're going to multiply by 7. C 4897 into 8. I'll repeat it. 8 2014 into 6. B 5203 into 7. C 4897 into 8. You're going to multiply. Finish the home assignments. Practice well all the sums, children. See you in the next class. Thank you.